Now this is pretty interesting. The sun is out right now. The sun is shining, sun is hot, and it's raining. Can you guys see the rain? But the sun is out. But it's raining. Welcome to Bulgaria. Welcome to Sofia, Bulgaria. I've literally just left the hostel about 1 minute ago, 2 minutes ago maximum. So I don't really know anything about this place other than yesterday what I saw. I've heard a lot of cool things about Bulgaria. Just recently, everything I've kind of heard has been in the last maybe month or two, or maybe no, last 3 weeks, which kind of led me to be like, I really want to come here. Not sure what it is. I'm saying it right now. I saw a little bit last night, but as soon as I saw that big park last time, I was like, I'm gonna like this city. And that, just having that mindset might be the reason why I like it so much. I don't know anything about the language. I'm not sure. I've learned a little bit about the culture. They do love cheese. They put cheese on everything. Cheese is divided into white cheese and yellow cheese. So they love their cheese. That's one thing. And the next thing I know is that there's a lot of 24-hour places and the city is alive and up. Everyone is up late. Last night we were walking back around 4:30, 5 o'clock in the morning. There was people in the parks, people in 24-hour restaurants. So far my experience here in Bulgaria has got off to a pretty good. Seems like a lot of people here, they love pizza, and a lot of people love these little side kind of market areas like this. It is around lunchtime as well, so. And that is exactly my style. I don't really, restaurants are okay, but I always prefer kind of like street food, take it to go. It seems like everyone kind of waits in these lines. And just to give you guys a look on prices, I know I need to do that more. A lot of people keep asking me about the prices of things. It's like a pizza slice is like two leva. So everything you see, the price when converted to euros is half the price. I can see on here like crepes. I don't understand anything, but the crepes you guys can see, this would be like €1, like almost €1 for a crepe. And I believe this is what my friend was telling me about the other day. So you can see the prices of these are huge. This is like 60 cents. This is 50 cents. And I think it's filled with cheese. So I think there's a big theme of when it comes to cheese here. I think everyone, they love their cheese. When I asked the guy in the hostel where I'm staying at, I asked him a good cafe, and he said just to go to that main walking street, and there should be a place there, just to kind of sit down and just kind of breathe in the center. Like, you know, I feel like I need just a little break, like to breathe a little bit. Hello. I need like a little break to just kind of breathe. I'm in like the city center, and you can see here, even in the city center, they have like graffiti everywhere on the walls, which is not an indication that it's dangerous, like what we are kind of taught. Any of my people from the West, especially America stuff, you think of graffiti, you think of, well, not getting hit by a tram, but when you think of graffiti, you think of this maybe not a safe place, but it's just written on the walls everywhere here, even across the street. Then right now it's a really cloudy day, but I don't know if you guys remember yesterday, I'm not sure if I kept it in the vlog, but right up there is a mountain. Normally you can see it on like normally you can see it on a clear day, but I mean, I'm not super hungry, but the menu here looks crazy good. Definitely coming back here to eat. I know they say the best restaurants don't have pictures on their food menu, but I mean, look at this. And just to go for prices, because I got so many people writing me and everything on prices. This would be like €4.50 for chicken, rice, vegetables. This right here would be the same. So it's not badly priced. Fitness food. This would be €10. Fitness. definitely coming back here later. But this place, Rafi, definitely approved. You guys are here in Sofia, but now time to actually, I think I'm actually everybody getting pizzas from everywhere. And it does look good. Everyone's at this one, so maybe I'll try this. And these slices are huge. I was just watching the people and everybody was putting ketchup on their pizza, so I guess I'm gonna try it. Wow, those were like the biggest slices of pizza ever. I had one slice, literally. I'm gonna see how far one slice gets me. Okay, so dropped everything off back at the hostel and kind of met some cool people at the hostel as well. But now off to kind of use today more as like a scouting day, because I'm a little bit tired, but I feel like I don't want to just sit around all day like in the hostel doing nothing. So gonna scout around, meaning I'm just gonna walk around and just kind of get a feel for the city, a good vibe for the city, then once again, you can see in these underground, it's like underground is like underground, but there's like little monument things here, shopping, kind of like almost everything. You almost can just stay under. Whoa. Ancient ruins or something over here. Just watch your head when you're walking under. And all this is just like trying to cross the street, but you just can discover. You can just discover cool. All this just trying to cross the street. You know, and actually I'm realizing this whole kind of pathway through is kind of just like something that was excavated, and the city was kind of almost built on top of it, so to speak. Because even out here you can kind of see they have like the ruins over there still. But maybe come back later when it's not raining to explore the rest. Merci. In Bulgaria, they have, you know, apparently the word for thank you is very difficult and very long, and it's not the prettiest way to say thank you. So what I found out what they do is they all say merci. It's like short for thank you here. So everyone's saying merci, merci, not because it's they're speaking French, but because that's the short way of saying thank you here in Bulgaria. So it is probably like maybe 2 hours later. Been kind of just chilling, walking around, kind of enjoying the city. It's nice. I like it. It's actually really big, and I guess I don't know if it's really big or just because I've come from Bratislava, which is pretty small. But it's been a great time, chill day, relaxed day. Kind of showing you guys a little bit. Didn't even make it down towards the main street where I started off the day, but that gives me something to do tomorrow. Kind of trying to work on taking my time more when I'm in places instead of kind of just rushing through everything. So kind of on that note, here in this square, I will bid you guys a good morning, good night, good afternoon. You guys who are new around here, thank you guys so much. Thank you guys for your comments, questions. Probably gonna do a YouTube live coming up soon, not sure when, but it's definitely on the list, plan to do. Questions and answers too is planned as well. And I guess kind of on that note, that's kind of everything for today. A little bit tired, so I'm gonna bid you guys good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you guys are in the world. I'll talk to you guys all later, and everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile.